Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to create AI images with Midjourney and how to sell them on Adobe Stock. First, you need to make an account in Discord. Then type Midjourney in Google and open the page. You will see that there are newbies servers on the left side. Open one of them and type the command imagine. After the command, add all of the details for the picture that you want to create. I want to create a picture of a girl with pink hair on a motorcycle. After I finish with the details, I add the ratio that I want my picture to be. It normally takes seconds to generate the pictures, but it can take longer. You will get 4 pictures, and when they are ready you will find them at the bottom of the chat. You can also see what other people are generating. You have 25 free images without having to buy a subscription, and everyone can see your ideas. When you get a subscription, you are the only one who can see your pictures. As you can see, the images that I generated are starting to show. After they are ready, you can download them. In order to make them high quality and upload them in Adobe Stock, you need to upscale the pictures that you like. You can do this by clicking on U and choosing the number. There is also the letter V. It creates more variations of the images. Some people use this to create logos, banners, or use their own pictures and animate them. I will show you how to do these things in the next video. After you find the upscaled picture, you need to open it in a new tab and download it from there. I upscaled 2 pictures and I am still waiting for the second one to be completed. You can find inspiration and many new ideas while you are waiting. Upscaling takes more time than generating the original pictures. I found my second picture and I like it more than the first one, so I will use this one instead. The original quality of the picture isn't bad, but in order to upload it to Adobe Stock, you need to make it even better. For this purpose, I use the Upscale Media website, but you can use any other website. I make it 4 times better, and I also click on the Enhance Quality function. There is a big difference between the before and after. When your picture is ready, just save it to your device. Some pictures have lines around the edges. I use Photoshop to crop the picture and make it clean. You can also use it to remove a text or something else. I always keep the original ratio. When you are ready, save the picture to your device. After that, you need to make a registration in Adobe Stock. After you have a profile, click on Upload and find your high-quality picture. My settings were wrong, so you can't see what I am typing, but I will tell you. You need to click on the tick where it says that the picture is AI generated and then choose a category. You also have space for tags that I copy from my other pictures and change a few. There is also space for description. After you fill all of the information, you can upload the picture. It takes up to a week for the pictures to be approved by Adobe Stock. There are also some rules that you need to follow and can find them of the website. This is how to make an income with Adobe Stock. Thank you for watching.